as a defendant. And Nicolas Maduro and his wife Celia Flores had to have been humbled by this. They walked in, again, wearing standard issue prison garb. Nicolas Maduro wearing khakis on the bottom, but that she get immediate medical attention. And of course, Judge Hellerstein said that that could be worked out with the government. But then let's go back to the beginning, Ali. This was unlike anything I have ever seen. I've never seen a head of state in a U.S. courtroom before as a defendant. And Nicolas Maduro and his wife Celia Flores had to have been humbled by this. They walked in, again, wearing standard issue prison garb. Nicolas Maduro wearing khakis on the bottom.
I want to bring in MS Now's senior legal reporter, Lisa Rubin. She just got out of the courtroom and joins us now. Lisa, what are your takeaways? And can you take us into that room? There were no electronic devices, and so you're our conduit.
No. Ali, I'm going to do the best I can to tell you about this. Out. And that all happened as Judge Hellerstein stood up from the bench, which means everybody in the courtroom was standing at the same time as law enforcement officers were trying to get this gentleman who was trying to force a confrontation with Nicolas Maduro out of the courtroom as Maduro and his wife, Celia Flores de Maduro, were trying to get back into U.S. custody. Let me tell you some other things that happened that I think are interesting. Celia Flores' lawyers said that during the kidnapping, what they called the kidnapping, Celia Flores sustained serious injuries, and you could see some bruising to her forehead. They said she also prisionera de la guerra. I'm a prisoner of war. And the exchange between them started to continue until